most people stay broke forever. Most people will spend their entire life trapped in the middle class. They will work harder, longer hours, take on more clients, and still never build a real wealth. What if I told you that the reason for this has nothing to do with how hard you work? The truth nobody tells you is this: the middle class doesn't fail because of lack of effort. They fail because their entire financial model is built on trading time for money. And if you are doing that, even as a successful online expert, a coach, you're not building a business, you are building a golden cage. Hi, I'm Zakkery. I've been scaling online courses since 2018. Here on this channel, I show you how to stop hustling for sales and build systems that sell your courses on autopilot. If you've already hit 10,000K in sales, I'll show you how to turn it into $100,000 with systems that work while you sleep. If you're tired of being the hardest working employee in your business and ready to become a CEO, you are in the right place. So let's break it down into details. The middle class and many entrepreneurs live by one simple formula: more hours equals more income. It seems logical, right? If you are a coach, you take on another client. If you are a consultant, you book another project. If you are a freelancer, you build more hours. You are just selling your time in a slightly fancier, more respectable way. I call this the trap of the golden handcuffs. The money is good, maybe even greater. You are making 10, 15K a month. You feel successful, but here's the painful, hidden truth of this model. The moment you stop working, the moment you take a vacation, get sick, or simply want to breathe out, your income disappears. And that's not a freedom, guys. This is not what you're expecting to have once you retire. The real financial freedom is when you can have the sales on autopilot. Now, the online education industry sees the problem and sells you a solution. They say, the way to break through the ceiling is to hustle harder. Just make more content, post more reels, be everywhere all the time. This is the biggest, most exhausting lie in our industry. It takes the time for money trap and put it on steroids. Now, you're not just trading your time in exchange for consultations, you're trading your time in exchange for the content that probably will never go viral. And this is a hamster wheel, the internal hamster wheel from which you will never be able to get out until you build a sustainable sales system. Let me give you a solid social proof for that. Name me the person who has built the wealth only by posting on social media without a sustainable funnels and system. No, you will not find the one. For example, such names as Alex Hormozi with its $1 million empire at acquisition.com, Mary Forleo, the one that has a digital products that she was able to scale on autopilot, or Russell Brunson, the father of funnels and evergreen sales system. They all have built their wealth not just by posting on social media. Just check their profiles. It will be easier to understand. And the only way to make money is to create a sustainable sales system that sells your digital products on autopilot while you sleep. So forget about one-on-one things or trading your time for another project. You must build an automated sales engine. This is your 24/7 sales team that never sleeps. For most experts, this looks like an evergreen funnel. It's a simple system, often a pre-recorded video training or webinar that takes a stranger, educates them, and converts them into a client, all on autopilot. This is how my system works. It works while you are on a plane, on a gym, or while you sleep. We select the project, and then we select the right topic for scaling it. We customize it according to the needs and pains of the audience. Then we pack it in a form of a digital product, and then we scale it with the help of attracting more and more attention, like paid traffic, Meta, Google ads, and all other sorts of ads. And this helps us to create a sustainable system that sells on autopilot. This is the only way to truly scale after your first 10K to 20K launch. No more burnout from endless content creation, no more vicious circle or hamster wheel. A predictable, reliable system that grows your revenue while you finally get the time and space to think, create, and work on the bigger picture. Right now, guys, comment below until you feel exhausted of a constant race to get more views, likes, and attention to the content you post. So here's the real way out of the middle class trap. Stop trading your time and start building systems. It's the only path to real freedom. If you already had some success, if you've launched your services or course and maybe hit your first 10,000K in sales, your next challenge is not to work harder, it's to build smarter. To help you do that, I've put everything together in a free detailed guide called the Peaceful Scaling Playbook. Yes, and the keyword is peaceful. It breaks down the 5 critical steps to take your online business from 10K per month to 100,000K per month and beyond using the asset building principles we talked about today. It's completely free. Just click the first link in the description below this video, enter your name, email, and the playbook is yours. Stop building a golden cage, guys. Start building an asset. Grab your copy of the playbook and I'll see you on the inside. Before we wrap it up, let me make a conclusion of the message I tried to deliver to you today. The number one thing is when you trade your time for money, aka you go with a one-on-one sessions, consultations, mentorships, whatever, due to the limited hours you have in your day and life, and due to some needs like I want to go on vacation, I sometimes don't feel myself well and I don't want to work. This is a trap. And the only question that should be in your mind every day when you start working is, am I building a system or I'm again trading my time for money? I'm going to repeat that for you. Am I building the system right now by performing this action? Am I building the system or I am trading my time for money? Sometimes we have to do that. But the criteria should be that you spend 90% of your working hours creating the system. This should be your Northern Star, which you follow. In everything you do, the next time, for example, you're going to create the content for your Instagram, you need to think, will that help me to create a system, or this again will, for example, disappear in 24 hours, stop growing, will not get me the audience which I'm targeting. Let me give you a brief example here. Before I understood this middle class trap, my content was all about like single use. I kept creating the reels, which did not stream the attention of the viewers to my funnels. The only reason to create such big loads of content and spend so many hours of your precious life to these and contribute so many hours of your life to this action is to get as much attention of the targeted audience as possible. And the best way to do that, you not start to post your content until you've created a system. Freebies, evergreen webinars, and sustainable email sequence which help to nurture the leads and then convert them into buyers. I hope that this video will make you think of everyday actions you take at work. I see brilliant ways how you can gain financial freedom if you are an online expert. If this is what you were looking for, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and let more people online learn about real methods of how to gain financial freedom. That's it for today, and see you next time.